Hello children. Now you can see some numbers on the screen. Tell me, have you seen them before? Yes, you know these numbers. What are those numbers? They are called decimal numbers. What is decimal numbers? Now, how you identify them? Now what you can see, there is a point in each these numbers, right? We know we name this point as decimal point. What is decimal point? Right? Now, what is the way of reading these numbers? Now, let's see. I will write two examples of decimal numbers. Now, let's see. The one is, so what is the way of reading this number? 2 then is the point. Now we pronounce it as 2.5. What is 2.5? Now let's see another example. Right? The, this part 19. What is 19? 19 point and the number is 67, but we read it each digit one by one. 19.67. What is 19.67?
Then read these numbers with me: 5.6, 3.1, 2.65, 9.3, 0.7, 1.24, 8.2,
Okay,
0.1.
now I am going to explain decimal numbers further. Now you can see there is 1. Then I represent this 1 using one rectangle. Then I divide this rectangle into 10 parts. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I divide the rectangle into 10 equal parts. Then I shade one part of it. I shade one part of it. Now, can you represent this shaded part as a fraction of the total shaded part as a fraction of the total? One part is shaded out of 10 parts. Now you know this is an unit fraction. This is an unit fraction, right? Now you can see there are 10 such parts. How many parts are there? 10 such parts. Therefore, these 10 1 over 10s, 1 over 10s equal 1. 10 1 over 10s equal 1. And also, we can represent this fraction as a decimal number. As a decimal number. So, okay, 0.1. Then this 1 is called first decimal place. What is first decimal place? Right? Now let's see again. If the 2 over 10, I can write this is as a decimal number. 2 is the numerator and also 10 has 1 0. Then I write this number by as a decimal 0.2. Then I separate only one decimal place. They are called decimal place, right? Then 0.2, after the 0 only one place is there, because now you can think 10 has 1 0, so that's why it has one decimal place. 10 has 1 0, that's why the decimal number has one decimal place. How the 2.5 is represented by this type of picture? Two full rectangles, and the third rectangle is divided into 10 equal parts and 5 parts are shaded. That means half of the third rectangle is shaded. Therefore, two full rectangles and half of the third rectangle, altogether 2.5.